Hey everybody, it's JJ here. Just wanted to do a review of this Melissa and Doug kitchen set. We purchased this set a while ago and we have two boys that are full of life, and this has held up really well. They have climbed on this thing, which I don't recommend, but they have done it and it has held the test of time. I want to just show you some of the cool features that this offers. It obviously has an oven and it's got this cooktop with these knobs here that make noise. You've got hooks that you can put your pots and pans, utensils. You've got this kitchen faucet that moves, handle moves up and down. You've got this microwave. It's got this cool little feature that you can actually turn this and that turns. It's got this little clipboard that you can put your menu or your shopping list on. You can put a piece of paper or something in there. It's your freezer. You even have a functional ice maker that drops a piece of ice. And then you can refill it, put the ice in there, and it's a lot of fun. I put it together. It assembles like IKEA kind of furniture. Didn't take too long, just follow the instructions and you'll be just fine.